All right, so the cover comes in three parts: the top, the skirt, and some Velcro. The Velcro is already installed, and the Velcro goes around here, around the rim, down to the other side. The installation is really simple. You grab the skirts, you grab one end of the skirt, match up the Velcro, this side, here. It's always best to keep the lid open like this. Just follow it through. Close the lid. The back, fasten it like so. The last part, cover for the lid. You open the lid, you lift the lip over like this. And bringing the elastic band underneath this round edge, lift down. And here in the back, I have, if you'd like, there's some straps that you can use and tighten the cover, prevent it from flying away. There's also this snap that you can just snap in place. So there you go.